These are just my graham cracker crumbs. I used the honey made graham crackers and just crushed them up myself. Just get a nice layer on your sheet pan. That should be good enough. And just spread it out so it's from edge to edge. Don't worry, my hands are nice and clean. Okay. This is gonna be a super yummy and delicious dessert. It's so easy and so good. You're gonna wanna make this all the time. Okay, that looks just about right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some melted butter and we're just gonna do a nice little drizzle on top of these graham crackers. There's no rhyme or reason to it, just where it lands is where it's gonna go. Just gonna help these graham crackers stay together when we put the rest of our dessert. All right, that's perfect. I know it looks a little weird, but trust me, when we put it in the oven, the butter's gonna melt even more and spread to all the graham crackers. Now I'm gonna grab some coconut shreds. I'm using the unsweetened, but you can use the sweetened if that's what you have. And we're gonna just put that right on top of the graham crackers. Just spread it from edge to edge, just like we did with the graham crackers. I know it kind of looks like cheese, but it's coconut and it's delicious. Okay, get that coconut nice and spreaded. Doesn't that look good already?
It smells delicious.
I know, I love the smell of coconut. It's so fresh and delicious.
True.
Okay, now for the fun part. Grab some semi-sweet chocolate chips and we're gonna put this whole bag right on top of those coconut shreds. This is gonna be like a layered bar and it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited for you guys to see how this turns out. This chocolate's gonna melt and be so yummy.
You said a bar?
Yeah.
What?
Okay. Now on top of the chocolate chips, we have something extra delicious going on. And I know these are kind of controversial, but I love them. We're gonna grab some butterscotch morsels. And these are gonna go right on top of those chocolate chips. You could use the peanut butter morsels if you don't like butterscotch, but the butterscotch just complements that coconut and that graham cracker so nicely. I think I'm only gonna use about like 3/4 of this bag because that looks like plenty. Oh, guys, this smells delicious and it's not even cooking. Okay, now everyone's favorites, some pecans, whatever you call them. I call them pecans because I'm from California. I know that the southern way to say it is totally different. And we're just gonna sprinkle some pecans right on top to add an extra crunch factor. Because once those chocolate chips are melted, you're gonna want that crunch on there. And this is all being eyeballed for the most part. You just kind of sprinkle until it looks good. Okay. Oh, you know what would be good with this? Walnuts would be good with this. Peanuts would be good with this. If you don't like pecans, you can use whatever nut you like. Okay. Isn't that looking so delicious? Okay, we have one more ingredient, my favorite ingredient. We have some condensed milk, some sweetened condensed milk. And this is just gonna drizzle right on top. Let me get my spatula to help that drizzle out. And don't worry, this is also gonna spread as we cook. So the little blobs are not gonna be an issue, even though I wish it did drizzle beautifully. Can't win them all.
I wonder if you put it in the microwave, you could drizzle it.
Well, you can't put the can in the microwave.
Oh, why not?
Because it will explode, silly. Okay. Ugh. These flavors together, though, are going to be so incredible. You just got to make sure to use that whole can of condensed milk. Don't worry, guys. I'm scraping the cans. Don't get mad at me, okay?
It looks phenomenal, babe. I don't know what you're saying.
Got to get all that sweet condensed milk out because that's what's going to make this so good. Okay. Almost done here. All right, that can is empty, you guys. All right, now I'll use our little spatula and kind of just give it a nice little, rundown. Best we can without moving the ingredients too much. These smell so good. I'm so excited.
I can't wait to see them fully formed. So
yeah. Everything's gonna just melt and, you know, spread out from edge to edge. It's gonna be yum, yum, yum scrum.
I love that.
Okay, that looks good enough to me. Best I can do. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 25 minutes. All right. This baby looks so good and it smells incredible. You can tell when your bars are ready when your coconut flakes on the edges start to brown. So this baby is ready, but now we're gonna pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Look at that. This is gonna be so good. Okay, let's go ahead and cut some pieces out. Ooh,
look, it's staying perfectly
yeah.
together.
Oh, it's gonna be chewy and gooey and delicious. Spatula. Oh, yeah. Would you look at that? I need to try this right now. Whew. Oh, that looks delicious. It's a little bit more of like a granola than a bar texture, but I think if I left it in the fridge just a tad bit longer, it would be more like a bar.
It's good, huh? I can
That
tell.
is the best thing I've ever tasted.
Really?
So good, you guys. Try it out.